This is our Ionit anti-spiking drink cover. It's the standard size version. Let's take it out of the pack. Okay, you'll notice it has the cover with an elastic piece and the scrunchie. It's made from spandex material, which is stretchy, which allows it to go onto various different sizes of glass. So if we take the scrunchie, you'll notice there is an opening here, and that's designed to take the cover when not in use. So we simply push the cover into the scrunchie. It's a little bit fiddly at first, but you soon get used to it. Just push it all the way in from both sides of the opening, and once it's away, it can then be used as a hair scrunchie, or you can wear it on your wrist like so. Take it off your wrist, go to the opening, grab hold of the cover and pull it out. It's very easy. Take your glass, put the cover on the glass, and then the scrunchie goes around the base of your glass like so, and your straw goes in through this hole here. That's now ready to use. A unique feature of our cover is this red silicone band which goes around the elastic, and that stops the cover from slipping off the rim of your glass. And that is a very important feature because it ensures that the cover stays in place at all times to prevent your drink from being spiked. And that is the Ionit anti-spiking drink cover, standard size, from Crafty Products Limited.